We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with a brother HL-L6200dw. First things first, pull your paper tray out. You have these little green guys right here. These are your adjustments. Make sure that is in the correct slot for the size of paper you're using. Another thing is, these ones are the same, so if you're doing any envelopes or labels where you would need to adjust this, make sure it's in the correct position and you put it back for what size of paper you're using when you switch back. You have these little tabs right here. These are your max level indicators. You never want to feel over that. If you do, it causes the paper to get too tight and the rollers will not be able to pull the paper through the printer to print on. So you want to make sure to not feel it so much. And anytime you are adding paper, instead of just taking a paper and putting it in there, as you can see when I did that, it is still not completely aligned. Most of it is, but not all of it. So what I like to do is take it out, mix my old paper with my new paper, and then I like to fan it out, especially with us living here in Oklahoma. There's a lot of humidity and condensation in the air. So fan it out all together, and then align it all at the same time. Put it back in your tray, and you should be good to go. If you're using these tips and tricks and you're still getting a lot of paper jams, it's probably time to put your printer in for service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.